So guys, this is the Mivi Duopods M1. Today in this video, let's unbox it and take a quick look inside. My name is Rishi Raj, you're watching CyberScene, and let's begin. So guys, this is the box in which the Mivi Duopods M1 come in, and the price quoted on the box, as you can see, let me just zoom in and show you. The price quoted on the box is 4,999, but I purchased it from the Mivi's website for around 2,399 rupees. So let me just break the seal, and so let's just lift up the lid, and so on the top we get is this warranty card, and then we have the micro USB cable for charging. I really wish it was USB-C. It would have been more convenient and one less cable to carry. So these are the ear tips which you have, and then finally we have the earphones in this case, and it's frosted plastic, as you can see. Okay, let's just open them up. So guys, these are the earphones, as you can see. This is the right one and the left one. I'll just use it for a bit and let you know guys the experience. So guys, let's just pair it up and try it out. So there we go. We have the Mivi Duopods. So they are connected. These M1s have a battery life of around 5 hours on a single charge, and the case itself can charge it to almost 5 times. So guys, these are also IPX6 certified, which means they are sweat proof, so you can use it while working out or when you are in the gym. So guys, it also has the touchpad kind of a thing in both the earbuds, and it also has a LED indicator, as you can see. And pairing it is really easy guys, as I showed you earlier. So guys, I'll be testing these, and also we'll be comparing it with the Mivi collar, which I also have. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, press the bell icon to get notified as soon as a new video from CyberScene goes live. Till next time, my name is Rishi, and I'm signing out. This side of the... So guys, this side also has the pocket.